Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a video to your YouTube channel on a computer the correct way. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a video you wish to upload. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, use a shortcut on the toolbar, or we can physically search, click on YouTube Studio. Make sure you sign into the account, and then to upload a video, click on create, right top corner of the screen, upload video, select the file, go to desktop, click on the video you wish to upload, delete a draft video, choose, and now wait for this to upload. Whilst that is happening, we can fill in the title, description, add a thumbnail, add videos to a playlist, go to more options, and then fill in everything we're required to. So for the title, open up another tab, go to YouTube Studio. If you have created a playlist of videos, go to the previous videos, click on the videos themselves, and take the titles and then change. Highlight, Command C, copy, go to YouTube Studio for the moment. How to use YouTube, delete a draft video. Tutorial 21, how to use YouTube, delete a draft video on YouTube Studio. Highlight, copy, or cut, and then put that as the title. Go back to the other tab we opened. Command A to highlight, Command C to copy. Go back to the description, Command V to paste. Highlight, delete a draft video on YouTube Studio, Command C to copy, and then change for the description. Tutorial 21. And now we can move on to thumbnail. Go to the desktop, dock, finder, documents, my YouTube channel, YouTube videos. How to use YouTube, tutorial 20. Take the thumbnail for the previous video in the playlist. Command C after we highlight. Command V to paste. Click on the PowerPoint presentation. Change number 20 to 21. Command Shift 5. Capture a screenshot, which will be saved on the desktop. Go back to YouTube Studio, upload thumbnail, choose the screenshot on the desktop. So that will be the thumbnail. And now choose a couple of playlists, go to the second tab. We have 4 playlists: how to install all videos, how to use YouTube, once, twice, done. We can search. For playlist, done. Is this video made for kids? No, it is not. Paid promotions, no. Tags, go to the second tab, take the tags, copy all, and paste the tags. Language, recording date, category. Go to next. Adding video elements, end screens, cards. That will be another video. When we do have an end screen template, we will use that at the end of each video. and now schedule upload. This will be for the 12th of July. At 7 o'clock. So 7 p.m. Yes. Schedule upload. Close. The video has now been uploaded. We have a notification on screen. Go to content. Command R to refresh the page. And now the video itself has been uploaded. We can go to edit the details and see all the information we inserted. Quiz Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.